In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a Todoist project. Renaming a project is a simple way to keep your task list organized and make sure everything is labeled clearly as your priorities change. Maybe a project started as work stuff and now you want it to be Q2 marketing plan, or you just want clearer names so you can find things faster. Whatever the reason, I'll walk you through the exact steps you need to follow. First, open Todoist on your device and navigate to the list of your projects. This might be on the left-hand side of your screen on desktop, or in the projects section on mobile. Take a moment to locate the specific project you want to rename. It's important to select the right one so you don't accidentally change the name of something else. Once you've found the project, look for the three dots associated with that project. On desktop, these dots are usually next to the project name when you hover over it. On mobile, you might see them when you tap on the project or next to it in the project list. Go ahead and click or tap on those three dots. This opens a small menu with different options for managing your project. From this menu, choose the option labeled Edit. Selecting Edit tells Todoist you want to change the project's details, which includes its name. When you click Edit, you'll see the project settings appear. Here, you should see the current project name displayed in a text field. Next, click directly on the name field. This will place your cursor in the box and allow you to modify the text. If the existing name is still there, you can either backspace to delete it, or select all of the text so it's ready to be replaced. Make sure the cursor is active in the name field before continuing. Now, type in the new name you want to use for your project. Choose something clear and descriptive so you'll recognize it at a glance later. As you type, double check for spelling errors or extra spaces. A clean, accurate name will make your projects easier to scan and manage over time. Finally, once you've typed the new name, confirm or save your changes. In many cases, this happens automatically when you click outside the field or close the edit window, but if there is a save button, make sure to click it. Your project will now appear everywhere in Todoist with its updated name, helping you stay organized and focused on what matters most.